They just finished construction on our new deck, and I always keep my herbs on my deck so they're close to the kitchen where I'm cooking, but I always forget to water them, and RainPoint has come through with a great automated solution. They sent me this solar-powered pump system that all you need to do is connect to a water source or a water container, which I'm going to use this watering can, and it will automatically water your plants with a drip system. So let's set it up. And so now I just need to connect my tubes here, run one down in here, and then run my lines going to each of the plants. You can hear the pump moving, you can see the blue light flashing, and you can see water going down in the soil. Next, you can come into the app and open your solar pump, and I'm going to go to plan at the bottom and click to add a new plan in the top right. And you can set the time of day that you want it to come on. You can set the duration. I currently have mine set on 30 seconds, and then also have it set on repeat every day, and you'll see that it's going to come on tomorrow at 7 a.m. and water for 30 seconds. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in my bio and also a code for 20% off.